Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Life, Disney, and Beyond. And if you're new here, make sure to take a second and subscribe to this channel.
Definitely.
But more importantly, it is the beginning of the Halloween merchandise. It dropped for 2019, you guys.
We're so excited. We're gonna go check it out.
Yep.
There's a lot of new stuff that's here just for this year.
Yep.
And a lot of stuff they brought back that was favorites.
Some repeat offenders.
Some repeat offenders. So let's get in there and check it out.
Let's go. All right, World of Disney at Downtown Disney. And look who's floating in the doorway. It's our friend Zero.
Zero?
Look at him.
Look at, that's all we see is he's floating. Hi, Zero. Hey, buddy.
That is so cool. And that's
all we saw was Zero. Look at, he's just floating.
He looks good.
Hey, happy Halloween, Zero.
And you can get your very own Zero to tote around and to float around. And look, he glows in the dark. So aside from Zero, this is the first thing that you see when you first come in, this little plush stand, and look in the background. Look at that logo back there. Happy Halloween 2019 with projections behind it. Oh boy.
He says, this is my year because I got a bash for you all to come to. Did you get your tickets yet?
Oh yeah.
Good. I love these little plushes. They're so cute.
Yeah, they are.
How many times am I going to say that? The plushes are $19.99.
Okay.
Let me see how much Zero and
I like the combo.
Jack is
Zero and Jack.
$26.99.
Okay.
That's adorable.
Look at the mayor.
He always looks like he's in pain.
He is.
Oh, look at Minnie in her dress for fall. I think that's for fall, but it's really cute. I love it. $29.99. She is. Oh, you know what? You can actually buy this dress too.
You can get the actual dress.
You can wear the dress and have Minnie matching. By the way, I'm not sick anymore. It just sounds worse because I've been coughing. So
yeah.
Sorry about it. Oh, hello. Hi. I could make like a perfect creepy voice with my voice.
With how your voice is right now, yeah.
Terrible. So awful.
You can see the mayor's, both sides of the mayor here.
Lock, Shock, and Barrel like connected.
Yeah, they are connected.
You can actually disconnect them though when you buy it, so good to know. Ah! Kidnap the Santa Claus.
Still digging that logo. Look at that. That's really cool.
I love it, the back. I need this luminary. I have all the other luminaries and I don't have this one.
Just one bite.
How much is it? 20 bucks before your discount. So you take this off and you stick
Put a
little
candle in there, right?
tea light candle. And I have a Jack Skellington one and a Mickey Pumpkin one. So now we have to have this. That's amazing. A snow globe with Maleficent in it. She's adorned in purple glitter.
Amazing.
What are these called again? They're called the Goons.
Oh, the Goons, yeah.
The Goons. There's a Goon on the back, too.
There he is.
The Chamber of Goons. And then, these bags are always a good idea to get if you're going to one of the Halloween parties because you get lots and lots of candy.
Yeah, that's a cool bag.
And it's like really square.
So it fills out nicely.
Yeah, it's like $5 with your annual pass holder discount because they're $7.99 normal. So we usually get one every year at some point, and I like that this year now it's like a 3D.
Yeah, it's got the multiple layers there, kind of.
Yeah,
that's
I
nice.
think Goofy's the best. It's Thriller.
Yeah, Thriller Goofy. Yeah.
Look at this pretty apron. I love the color.
Evil Queen of Halloween.
That's cute. And it has all the villains.
Yeah,
look at
the bat on there.
Dude, Cruella de Vil and I do kind of look alike. Is ironically, like, I love animals so much and she hates them so much, but like, striking resemblance. $34.99.
And then the Evil Queen of Halloween t-shirt.
That's cute. $29.99.
Silhouette. I'm a monster at heart. Oh, look, it matches you actually with your purple.
Should I try it on?
Yeah. And that hat is $27.99. That's good to be bad. Cruella de Vil.
Good to be bad.
Captain Bad.
Captain of Bad, right?
Oh, it's covered up by the sizing sticker there. But
yeah, I like that. Captain Hook.
And they've changed the projection on the floor. Look at that. Look, and there it goes. It's flying. It's a flying Halloween bat with a jack-o'-lantern in there. Happy Halloween 2019, World of Disney. And that leads us to the next section over here. Very orange section. What do we have?
Oh, the Halloween. Oh, this is what I have.
This is the Luminary that you have.
So that's what they brought back.
Right.
You repeat offenders, like you said.
It's a repeat offender. That's good. And then here is the glow-in-the-dark T-shirt.
This is
for 2019. Look at that.
I actually like it.
I like it a lot.
It kind of looks similar to last year, right?
Yeah.
But I like it better.
I think it has the green glow on the edges there. It's cool.
I think I might actually get it. How much is it? $24.99.
All right.
See, that's good. They make it like affordable. If you want just a regular themed shirt to wear to Disneyland during Halloween, there you go. And they brought back another repeat offender.
The bucket.
The light up ear bucket, which is pretty heavy.
Bucket, yeah.
So keep in mind if you're gonna get this, it's not a very light thing, and it includes...
But it lights up.
It does light up.
Look at the animation up here to get you in the mood. I love the old ghosts. These guys are great. They're carrying the bucket right now, the trick-or-treat bucket. Look at this. It's like Winky Blinky both sides. It's one side purple.
Oh!
Wow.
That's fun. That is lots of fun.
It's the sequin flip up and down shirt.
Those are so popular. $39.99.
A little more for that, but that's really cool because it's two shirts in one, really.
Yeah, technically.
All right, Katie has spotted the Spirit jersey. It's sparkly this year, the whole thing.
I think because it's sparkly and because there's a little pink, there's a little baby pumpkin right here.
Yeah.
And look at, it's candy corn colors, and I have candy corn ears. I think that means I have to buy this. Oh, look at the front is cute too.
Oh, the front's really cool.
That's cute. Okay.
All right, for $34.99, you can get this very animated shirt. Look at it. It's like got a tie-dye background with all these guys. Spookadelic in there. That's a nice shirt.
Look at this keychain.
Whoa, that is cool.
How fun is that?
I like that a lot.
Hello, Mr. Pumpkin.
Okay, the new and improved Mickey jack-o'-lantern hat with the lights. Look at that.
So they had the same one last year. Pretty similar. Obviously it didn't light up, but on the back they used to say, "Hey pumpkin."
Oh yeah.
Remember? Because it was actually a kid's hat.
Now it's frightfully fun.
And literally it's frightfully fun. I put it back here so you could kind of see how it lights up.
That is so great.
So now that it lights up, what does the price? It's $34.99.
Look at the back of this sweatshirt. This is so cool. Look at all the detail on that thing.
Is it a hoodie or?
Yeah, it's a hoodie. Yeah, yeah. Flip it around.
Let me see.
It's
Prepare to be scared.
Yeah, it's got Mickey Prepare to be Scared on there.
That's cute.
And it's a thicker hoodie. Bats on the arm.
Love it. $49.99.
All right. And then here's another glow-in-the-dark shirt. It's Mickey with all his friends.
Exclusive 2019.
$24.99.
The Cauldron Mug, which is super popular. We didn't get one of these last year. They got one at Magic Kingdom because it was the Hocus Pocus.
Right.
And now we finally got one. And it's for brewing up a terrorific time. Drink from my cauldron.
$19.99.
This is definitely new this year. We're not sure if it's like a mug and maybe you like put a cookie in here, or maybe it's like a little tea light thing.
Maybe it's a luminary. I don't know.
Could be a luminary. We're not sure.
It's like a scarecrow guy.
$27.99. I think it's the Headless Horseman.
Yeah. Mickey Mouse Fan Club. Look at him. $39.99.
All right, and then here's a cute new hoodie.
I like that.
The inside decor.
Let's see the back.
Are you scared of the park? Oh, that's cute. That's smart.
I like that.
And this one's $54.
$54. A smaller version of the Fan Club.
Without the bling. The two-sided thing.
Another sequin double-sided?
Yeah.
Or is this one just sequins?
No, it's the sequin double-sided.
Oh, double-sided again, yeah.
I think this might be used. Oh, maybe not.
So they've got that version, and then they've got this version like
The
that.
OG.
So this sweatshirt's really awesome. We can't find it anywhere, but it looks to be like you are Mickey when it's zipped up. You're the body of Mickey, and then it's got bat wings. So you're basically Mickey Vampire Bat, but we don't see it anywhere else except for on the mannequin.
All right, so we got some leggings.
Yeah, they're like yoga pants, yeah?
Yeah, $39.99.
Cool.
And then right here we have this cool looking shirt, flowy shirt, $34.99. A couple of new pairs of ears. Look how fun these are. They're pretty bulky, but they're cute.
Yep. And then
They look like candy corns.
Candy
they kind of
corns.
upgraded them. So last year, remember they were the puffy bow, that's what I bought?
yeah, they're a little flatter this year.
Yeah, these are really cute, but
All right.
I think if I got a new pair of ears, I might get these.
The witch, yeah, I like those.
Pretty cute.
Mini witch.
It says, let's get wicked.
Wicked!
All right, these are new Loungefly mini backpacks. This one's 80 and this one's 90.
Okay.
This one's all sequiny, and this one's really like a nice soft material.
Yeah.
Super cute. These are selling really fast, so make sure if you want to get them, come to World of Disney and grab them quick.
All right, look at these cool things. This would be so cool at night, huh?
I love this. Check that out. Oh, you don't have to hold it down.
Yeah, you just hit the button once.
Alright, those are fun.
Crazy spinning Mickeys. And then look, here's the Happy Halloween hot chocolate with marshmallows, custom Disneyland style.
And then we have the candy filled in the cute little mini bucket. These are great because it's a cute little collectible to keep.
Yep, and it's got candy corn in it.
Yeah. I love it. That's a great little gift too.
For $6.99, look, Katie's got the popcorn. It's got candy corn in it this year.
Wow, not only is it colored, but it's actually got candy corn in it.
Yep.
And then of course the Rice Krispie bouquet.
Yeah.
And not bouquet, it's bouquet.
And what is that, like $12.99 for the bouquet?
Yeah, and $6.99 for the popcorn.
And of course the glowing Mickey lanyards. Got to get one of those every year.
It also does the, what is it, the
flash mode. It's got all the different modes.
So many different modes. Whoa, flash mode, multicolor mode,
Those
all
are great.
the modes.
Kind of a cool jack-o'-lantern, ceramic jack-o'-lantern. Put a candle in there.
Yeah.
You could even put some candy in there. You could be like digging in for some candy. Whoa. The countdown calendar, there it is.
And then the felt mini door hanger.
You know what, I felt this would make a nice addition to the door. See what I did there?
I see what you did there.
It's a felt mini, so I was making a stupid joke. This is some garland, kind of like banner garland that you can hang with all the different colors.
Set of 12. And then this is a decorative Mickey, vampire Mickey, a yard flag.
Oh, it's Mickey as a yard flag, all right.
You can get a little baby Mickey jack-o'-lantern onesie. That's cute.
That is.
And then we got a ghosty Mickey pillow for $24.99. Not bad. That's pretty cute.
Boo to you, to you, to you, and you, and you.
He always tries. It's boo to you, and you, and you, and you. Now this is a cool felt bag. Isn't that adorable?
Yeah, you can almost use it as a trick-or-treat bag if you wanted to, yeah.
I think that's what it's
It
for.
is, yeah.
$16.99.
A little more heavyweight. That'll hold some serious
But it's really
LBage.
narrow. It's really narrow though. So.
Yeah, and also kind of Halloween related, some new Coco ears.
Or like Dia de los Muertos.
Yeah, Sugar Scully styly.
Those are cute.
Yeah, all right.
We got Mummy Pluto. Look at him.
Look at his headdress.
$21.99 by the way.
There's Minnie and Mickey in their costumes. Look at Vampire Mickey and Witch Minnie. She's wearing almost your hat.
I love it.
All right, the Villains line is very appropriate for Halloween, so they've got a lot more of that stuff. Look at, kind of
Like
cool.
comic book style.
Yeah, very comic book, very graphic. You got
Loungefly.
yeah,
And then we brought back the classic
yeah, we got one of those.
poison apple mug. We have like 5 of them.
Yeah, the notorious Maleficent, also graphically represented. The most justifiably twisted, the ruthless Ursula. It came from beyond.
Life's full of tough choices, isn't it?
I'm really a fan of this Oogie Boogie shirt with all the text creating his image. I like it, and the colors are really nice. Oogie Boogie light up lanyard.
He's back.
He's back.
And look at this whole section over here. It's all Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yep.
They brought back the Jack Skellington light up lanyard. Well, I guess necklace, I'd say.
Yeah.
I think it's a little different than last year because I thought these were just round. They didn't have any, but
Any smiles in them?
This was also from last year,
Okay.
or at least similar. Oh no, I think it's similar, but it's really cute. I think that's also from Loungefly. This is a nice shirt. Love it. Another backpack. I don't know if this is Loungefly. I don't think it is. So I don't see a Loungefly.
The size and the shape would lead you to believe that it is, but we don't think it is.
They do so many, but I'm pretty sure it's not. And then check out all these hats. There's this one and this one.
Oh wow, look at that.
They're pretty loud.
Loud and proud.
Loud and proud. Oh, look, Spence socks.
I like it. Stretching room portrait for Haunted Mansion Holiday.
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah.
I guess kind of.
And you can get regular Haunted Mansion stretching room socks, so you could add these to your set.
True.
And then an entire wall
Oh my
of
goodness.
Skellington-ness.
Ew.
New Sally ears.
Oh, check that out. Those are cute.
I like this sweatshirt actually. You can
The Jack Skellington.
You can literally become Jack, yeah. And look, I think the hood makes the face.
$64.99 for that. And here's some new ears for this year.
No bow.
I don't. That's the only reason I'm not getting them this
Yeah,
year is
and they're
because
kind of leathery.
they don't have a bow.
Yeah, but that's all right. You don't always have to have a bow.
I do. I need a bow. The balance just doesn't look
All right. And then a cool hoodie. Jack's face all over the different sides of Jack. Another hoodie, kind of a darker.
Oh, I like this one.
With like these felt bats. They kind of stand
And
out
it
on
says
there.
Nightmare Before Christmas. It's like an acid wash almost.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, check it out. That's a really cool looking snow globe for $39.99. And it has a bunch of bats. And look at Sally.
That's cool.
That's adorable. So these cups are both from last year.
All right. Popular, so they brought them back.
Yep, yep. And they are really cute. I like them.
Nice dark purple color.
Yes.
And you could even say that the Haunted Mansion gear is appropriate for Halloween. I think it is. Look, Graveyard Jamboree, Phantom 5, you guys know them. There's a cool door knocker that you can get that automatically knocks like just past the conservatory in the Haunted Mansion where all the doors are knocking on their own. And there's a ton of Haunted Mansion gear that you can get in honor of its 50th anniversary, as well as to ring in the haunt season.
Well, I did some damage in there.
Yeah, what'd you spend about,
It doesn't matter. What
spent some
matters,
money.
what matters is happiness. And
Yep.
I sure got a lot of that. So make sure you guys get in there to the World of Disney because
Yep.
they have the best and biggest assortment. No park admission required.
No.
And go get your Halloween merch. We had such a blast shopping for it.
I know, I'm so excited for the haunt season, and that kind of helped get me into it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When you do, turn on your bell notifications.
Yeah.
That way you know every time we go live.
Yeah.
And you're the first to know when we upload our videos. If you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put the information in the description box right there below.
We will, and we'll see you next time on Life Disney and beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.